Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Have you ever wondered how digital marketing actually works to grow your business in 2025? Well, you're in the right place at the right time because whether you're a small business owner, you're a entrepreneur, you're a marketer, or you're just a busy mom trying to build your network marketing business, your affiliate marketing business, this video is actually going to break it down for you step by step. We're going to go through SEO, social media, paid marketing, and email marketing. So before we dive in, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. And at the moment, I'm studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I actually help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. I remember back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts. At the end of those 12 hours, I didn't have enough time or money to spend with my family or to work on my side hustles. I remember having this mom guilt because I was spending way more money than I was earning online. Now, it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends or slide into strangers' DMs. Now, as a busy mom, an entrepreneur, a marketer, and you're wondering, okay, how will this actually work? How will digital marketing work to grow my business? Let's start off by defining what digital marketing is. By the way, let me mention my background here. I'm actually in Germany for the weekend. I'm in my hotel room here. Just spent the day out in Dusseldorf, creating short form video on my phone. And now I'm in my room creating long form video, right? This is all part of my digital marketing strategy. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is simply using online channels like search engines, social media, email marketing, websites to promote your business. It's all about showing up where your customers are, which is online. Okay, the world is changing, and right now you are my potential customer watching this, and you're online, right? So you have to be where your target audience is. Now let's talk about how you can use an automated marketing system to take your prospect from a cold lead into a raving fan. Really, that's what you want, right? So it all starts with awareness, creating that awareness, getting people to become aware of who you are. And in 2025, one of the fastest way to create this awareness is by using short form content, right? I told you that today I was in the city center just recording short form videos, and that's a great way for me to get people to become aware of who I am, because short form video has a wider reach and people have more time to just watch a short form video. Now, once they become aware of who you are, you want to actually spark that interest, right? Get them interested. Say, hey, who is this? What is she talking about, right? Get them to want to know more. And if ideally, you should be able to offer them something of value to come into your world, right? Come into your world and then take them through a journey and end up converting them into a lead, and then the sale, and then having a repeat customer from them, right? And it's all about nurturing that relationship, getting them to know, like, and trust you so that you can do business together. Now, there's so many ways that you can use to take your audience from this cold lead into a raving fan, right? This journey that I just shared with you. There's so many ways that you can go about it. And one of the ways that I'm doing right now is search engine optimization, where you could create content like this, right? You could create videos, you could create articles, and when your target audience is searching for something, your content could show up, right? So you could show up when your potential customer is looking for what you have to offer. And search engine optimization takes work, right? It takes work to create this content, right? But once you create the content, content is king. Your content is out there working for you forever, essentially, as long as the platforms where you have your content in is there, your content will be there working for you. This video is my retirement plan, right? So by the time I retire, right, and I start traveling the world even more, my content will be out there working for me. And so you have to be patient and consistent in actually building your brand. Now, the other thing that you could do then to get them through that awareness stage, right? So this is content, one of them. You could turn your social media platforms. So you on social media right now, liking and scrolling and commenting for no reason. What if you could turn that time that you're spending on social media into you turn that time into income producing activities, right? Where you could generate leads, right? So instead of liking, commenting, just doing it for fun, why not turn your social media platforms into ATMs, right? And the key to success on social media is consistency. You got to be consistent, got to have engagement and create that trust, know, like, and trust factor, okay? And then if you don't have the time, right, to be doing SEO organically, you could throw money at it and drive paid ads through all the social media platforms, the search engine optimization, so Google, YouTube, Bing, and all these platforms. You could actually run ads on them, and when you throw money at it, you could get faster results, right? But the best way is to organically build it for the long run. And then email marketing, the money is in the list, right? Email marketing is a great way for you to actually nurture that relationship with your prospects. Because most people will not make a decision to buy straight away. No. It takes an average about 7 times for them to make that decision. So you need to nurture that relationship with your target audience, get them to know, like, and trust you. And the bigger your list is, the more money you're going to make, as long as you're creating that relationship with your list, okay? And then you always, the thing about doing things online is you have a track record where you can analyze your data, and then you can optimize what you're doing based on your data. Now, this matters. Digital marketing for your business in 2025 and beyond matters because you can reach more people, right? I am based in Dublin, Ireland. I'm here in Germany at the moment. But as I'm speaking to you right now, when you're watching this, I'll be back in Ireland, and maybe you could be in Germany then, or you could be in the USA, Africa. So you can reach more people digitally than you could on the offline space, right? You can actually measure your return on your investment, and you can grow, you can scale your business smartly, okay? Or if you're doing things offline, it could be a bit tricky trying to scale, but online gives you that flexibility. Now, if you are interested in learning more about digital marketing, what I want to do is I want to introduce you to, let me make sure I'm sharing my screen. That will be really helpful, wouldn't it? So let me go ahead and share what am I doing? Killing the camera? No, I don't want to kill the camera. There you go. Share screen. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to share my screen here and go to, I'm going to go here. I want to introduce you to this program. Now, this is our bonus site where we have over 51,500 paid members in our community, right? Now, this is a live interactive coaching and mentorship. So if I go to calendar here, you can see our live interactive coach. So every Monday we have mentoring calls. So that's the next one coming up. We have technical calls as well to help you with any technical support. We have mindset mentoring on Thursdays. We have bi-weekly onboarding calls that you could jump on, another technical call. So that's one thing I love about this is this live interactive coaching and mentorship, but I also love this classroom. So this classroom has some bonus materials. One of the most valuable things is this 90-day runs that our multi-millionaire mentor sends us a video. You can see we are on day 71. So in a few hours or so, the video is going to just show up here, day 71 video, and it's going to be an average of 5 minutes less or more. And she's going to talk to me like as if she's right here, like, come on, Angela. She's going to give me something to do at the end of this video. It could be mindset, it could be skill set, right? So let me ask you this. What would be the power of you getting, having a multi-millionaire take you by the hand and walk you through every single day for 90 days, helping you stay accountable to achieving your goals. So you can kind of get an idea what kind of things she talks about here. So you can see content in 3 categories. She's talking about how you should create content in different. So sometimes you deliver value, you teach how to training, sometimes you share testimonials. So this is just an idea, shift into clarity. Tony Robbins says clarity is power. You got to be crystal clear about your vision, right? Do you have a vision of what you want to achieve in your life? And you need to know exactly, because if you don't know where you're going, if you don't know exactly what it is that you want, you just end up drifting, going around and around in circles, right? You don't want that. You want to have clarity about what it is that you want to achieve. So this again, right? This classroom is our bonus site where you get extra training, right? Mindset training, you can find it there. We have webinar resources that we can use. We have a content vault where we can download this content, upload onto our social media. We have mentoring replays that so you can see here. I missed this one about sharing your story with Michelle, so I can come in here and watch it. And once I've watched it, I can take that to say I've ticked it. And social media training, 6 figures in 6 months. But what I want to do here is I want to share with you some wins, because you're wondering, okay, does this work? So let me show you the kind of proof that members of our community are getting, right? So Kenny, that just 8 minutes ago posted 5,500 in 2025, right? 10K total with other offers. So he's just sharing, been a little slack this year. Have not been consistent with my content, but I made 5,500 with the Legacy Builder program. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations. Dan, sleepy sales are the best, right? $600 while sleeping. Says loves this blueprint. Let me see. Sharon woke up to 100 cell while I was sleeping. This is another life, right? Absolutely amazing. Zinle, $200 dings while going to bed. Congratulations. That was 18 hours ago. Scott did 13 hours ago, $900 Friday night. Congratulations. Absolutely. That's weekend money for Scott, right? Magnus, 2 days ago, talking about views. Windham and Alana, another $600 in the bag. They're in South Africa, so that's 11,000 South African rands. Happy 7 months. Horn, 26 days ago, happy 7 months of digital marketing, earning over 270,000 in sales. I became a full-time stay-at-home dad and digital marketer. Congratulations, absolutely amazing. Carol, 15 hours ago, $200 straight off my lives, got 61 additional leads and over 150 new followers. Congratulations, it's absolutely amazing, right? So she was on a live, and when she got off, she'd actually earned $200, got 61 leads and over 150 new followers. That's absolutely amazing. Daryl, 21 days ago, $900 while out looking to homes to buy, and so on and so forth. Christy, 10 days ago, got my second $900 sale for this week, right, while grocery shopping. So these are the kind of results that we have in our community. So if you are interested in learning, if you're interested in learning high in demand digital marketing skills and getting live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6-figure earners and being part of a thriving community of over 51,000 members, I invite you to click the link in the description, right? Because this year I'm on a mission to work really closely with 150 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So once you click the link here, right, I'm going to deliver this Freedom Formula Blueprint to your email. So check your spam folder, check your promotional folder, check everywhere for the email. And once you've watched the videos, explain to you how this blueprint works, then respond to my email. Let's have a conversation, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.